Okay, I'm going to show you one more calculation that I have added to PowerPoints. This is calculating something called the TCPI. Okay, TCPI stands for the To Complete Performance Index. So the question is, what are you going to have to perform at, or what is the project is going to have to perform at to be able to complete the project within specific parameters. Now, the two parameters that we've calculated with regards to the end of the project is, well, BAC, which we didn't calculate, but we've got BAC, okay? And then the other one that we've got is EAC, which is an estimate based on where we are right now. So we can have a TCPI, we can have a performance index that we understand in relation to getting to BAC, and one in relation to getting to EAC. So let's do the BAC one first. So it would be BAC minus earned value, okay, divided by BAC minus actual cost. Okay, so in our scenario, we've got, it would be 100,000 real minus 75,000 divided by 100,000 minus 60,000, our actual costs, which would equal 25,000 divided by 40,000, which equals 0.625. If this number is less than, if your TCPI is less than 1, it means you do not have, you can perform at 62.5, in this case, 62.5% of what was planned. Okay? So to get to your budget at completion, you can relax a bit. So if it's less than 1, it's happy, right? You can relax. If TCPI is greater than 1, then it means you got to probably got to speed up a bit. That's my speed up face. To calculate your TCPI or your To Complete Performance Index to get you to your estimate at completion, it's just BAC minus EV divided by EAC minus AC. Okay? That equals our EAC. We calculated 2 EACs, right? We calculated one that came in at 80,000 if we continue to perform, or the project continued to perform as it had, or 85,000 if we were going to perform as planned from now on. So we're going to use the 80 as our EAC, because we think our project's going to continue to perform. So, oopsie, EAC minus 60, which equals 25,000, right? oh no, sorry, it equals, yeah, 25,000 minus 20,000, right? Which equals 1.25. So in this case, if we want to get to the estimate at completion, we still got to keep our foot on the gas with regards to our performance on the project. If we want to just get to our budget at completion, we can relax a bit because the number is less than 1. Now, I'm going to just do a quick recap of the numbers so that you understand them. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. Do this. Okay. CPI, SPI, and TCPI. Okay? These are 3 different indexes. If your CPI is less than 1, okay? If your CPI is less than 1, it means you are underperforming with your cost. It means you're over budget. You're underperforming. And this is sad, okay? If X, your CPI, is greater than 1, it means you're overperforming. You or the project, okay? And this is a happy thing. That's the same with SPI, okay? TCPI is, if TCPI is less than 1, it means your project has overperformed to date. And you can relax a bit to get to the end within the parameters. So this one is happy. But if your TCPI is greater than 1, it means you've got to overperform to get to the end. To get to the end in budget, or to get to the end in the estimated time to complete. Or the estimate at completion. So this one is not as happy. But it's very helpful to know where you're at, where you're going to end up, and what it's likely going to take to get there. So that is what earned valued management does. This tells you how you've been performing. This tells you how you need to perform to get to the end.